Introduction. Fashion accessories like earrings, bracelets, bangles, necklaces, and rings add color and texture to a woman's outfit. These fashion pieces accentuate and enhance one's personal look. Aside from that, accessories can also make fabulous gifts and keepsakes. Create a beautiful pendant like this dragonfly-inspired piece as giveaways to family and friends. These items become even more special if they are handmade. Imagine how wonderful it would be if you were able to make a matching pair of earrings for every outfit you own, or a fabulous necklace to match your bridesmaid's dress for your friend's wedding, or personalized charm necklaces to give away to your friends on Christmas. Creating your own accessories will save you money, give you freedom of design, and provide you with a unique range of pieces that are not available anywhere else. Not only that, learning to create accessories can help you start a business. What is beading? Beading is the art of using beads of different shapes, colors, textures, and materials to create jewelry or decorative pieces. It involves the use of other materials, such as strings and wires, fabric and thread, or even buttons and ribbons to complete a piece. It is an essential skill for the design and production of fashion accessories. It requires a lot of patience and an eye for detail. Beading is a progressive art. You get better as you do it more until you can eventually create more complex pieces. Start making fabulous statement pieces by following simple steps like this elegant shell necklace, by stringing beads and shells together, or creating dazzling accessories by employing more complicated techniques, such as hand sewing beads on felt cloth like the elegant bib necklace shown below. Who can do it? Anybody can bead. Even 5-year-old kids can start beading. In fact, beading sets composed of colorful plastic beads and nylon strings are available as play sets in most toy stores. The only requirement for beading is patience and creativity. Once you have these two essential virtues, you can get better at beading with time. What do I need to start beading? The most basic materials needed for beading are beads, of course. They come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. They can be made of different materials such as plastic, clay, ceramic, acrylic, and even natural materials such as shell and wood. Semi-precious stones such as pearl, turquoise, and agate are also available. Beading also requires stringing materials such as strings and wires. There is a whole range of stringing materials available: nylon strings, elastic strings, beading wires, aluminum wires, and copper wires. A special type of wire that keeps its shape is called memory wire. These are available in predetermined sizes for bracelets and necklaces. It's important to pay attention to a wire's gauge when purchasing wires. The bigger the gauge, symbolized as GA, the thinner it is. Below is a table of commonly used wire gauges. Gauge 24, 0.6 millimeter thickness. Common uses. For stringing through small beads, this can be easily twisted. Gauge 20, 8.8 millimeter thickness. Common uses, general purpose wire. Gauge 18, 1 millimeter thickness. Common uses, commonly used for ring bases and chunky jewelry. Other materials such as chains, metal components, fabrics, buttons, rhinestones, and ribbons can also be used as embellishments. Chains are mostly used in making bracelets and necklaces. Chains are available in different finishes: gold, silver, even plastic, and different link sizes and shapes. Metal components and findings are those materials used to embellish beaded pieces, such as charms and spacers. The term also refers to essential materials such as earring hooks, eye pins, and head pins, toggle and clasp, and locks. Beads, rhinestones, and buttons can be sewn onto pieces of fabric to create bib necklaces. Fabric can also be used to wrap wood beads to give them a new design. Ribbons can be used to string beads onto necklaces or bracelets, or to accentuate a beaded piece. You will also need a variety of tools to work with your beading materials. The most common tools are scissors and pliers, long nose or flat nose, round nose, and a wire cutter. Some fancy beading tools, like loop pliers and wire jigs, are also available to help you create more intricate designs, but for starters you will only need the most common ones. Make sure that your pliers are easy to grip and keep them well oiled and clean to avoid rusting.